Hi, this is Lucas with YOGABODY and welcome to our yoga breathing tutorial series. This video is called Whiskey Breathing, how to put yourself to sleep using yoga breath. This video is brought to you by Health IQ. Health IQ is a life insurance agency and they work with yoga students, with CrossFitters, health-minded people to save them money on their life insurance. Basically, they figured out that yoga students and health-minded people, they usually live longer, so they should probably pay less for their life insurance. If you qualify, you can save anywhere from 4 to 33%. I'd encourage you to go to healthiq.com/yogabody. And in the How Did You Hear About Us section, just enter YOGABODY so that they know that you came from us. They've been a great supporter of YOGABODY, so I'd encourage you to check out healthiq.com/yogabody to see if you qualify. How to put yourself to sleep using yoga breathing. We call it whiskey breathing. As the name implies, whiskey breathing down regulates your nervous system. It stimulates your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest system. It lowers your pulse, lowers your blood pressure. It dilates your breathing passageways. It dilates your veins. It helps you to relax and go to sleep. It also helps you with digestion. It's a very, very effective practice for putting yourself to sleep. You can do this practice lying in bed. You can do this practice seated up, but please do not do this practice while driving or operating machinery. It can really have a dramatic effect and you can nod off while you're driving, which is a terrible idea. Ideally, most of our students use this in bed, lying down as they're attempting to fall asleep. How it works is, again, just like all of our breathing patterns, we want to affect the rate of the breathing. That's the most important thing. And we want to slow our breath down to a rate of less than 4 breaths per minute. We'd like to get to about 2 to 3 breaths per minute. Right now, you're breathing at probably 8 to 12 breaths per minute. So it's really a fraction of what you're breathing now. And that slow breathing increases the CO2 in your body and has that big relaxing effect. Here's how you do it. Again, do this at night, right before bed. You can do it seated like I am, but probably better, do it lying down in your bed on your back. And here we go. We inhale through our nose, 1, 2, 3, 4, double the exhale. We go out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale through your nose, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale through your nose, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through your nose, 1, 2, 3, 4. Through your nose again. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going. Total of 10 rounds. Whiskey breathing. Slowing your breathing 2 to 3 breaths per minute. Dramatically increases the CO2. Opens up your breath passageways, opens up your veins, and it's very, very effective for putting you to sleep. I hope this is helpful. I'd encourage you to try this before bed. If you have questions or comments, post them down below and join us for our other videos on water breathing and on coffee breathing so you can learn all 3 ways that we can manipulate and affect our nervous system through yoga breath.